COBOL Tips and Code Open. CRUD Employees Module. Checkcon.
Hi everybody, this PPT was made by Nestor ACHA. The notes will be read by the automatic voice of Word Office. Thank you very much for being interested in seeing it. Remember, download this PPT, the link is in the video description. We are going to make the design and programming of an employee CRUD module that implements 5 functionalities of menu, inquire, entry, update and delete of employee records. To facilitate the understanding of the method, will be accessed by employee code and only the employee name will be updated. The steps to follow for each functionality are: 1. Design of the screen model to be used. 2. Construction of the screen section self-generated program. 3. Test of the self-generated program, real screen display. 4. Adjust the model, regenerate the program and test until OK. 5. Rename program and self-generated fields to your final name. 6. Adding business logic to the final program. 7. Adjustments and test of the program until it is OK. For time reasons, only a part will be displayed in this presentation, but it will contain all the programs for you to copy and test. Step 1. Design of the screen model to be used. We must create the model in a text file, as in the example shown. We need the program CCON 9001 Screen Section Builder. Please download the PPT of the indicated YouTube video and copy the required program. Step 2A. Construction of the self-generated program. Modify the Screen Section Builder program to put the program data to create. Part of the Screen Section Constructor program is shown, where you can see the file input file, and 2 output files, file screen which is a temporary file, and file workin that will contain the self-generated program with which the real screen can be displayed. Step 2B. Construction of the self-generated program. Run the Screen Section Constructor program. You get as a result a program with a name that was put in the constructor. Please note that the self-generated program has as its internal name in the program ID the name CON9990, which is always the same and must be manually changed by the name of the application program that it will have. This slide shows how the Screen Section Constructor program CCON 9001.cbl reads the emplo00 mod.txt text file that contains the screen model and generates the program emplo00_prg.cbl, which when executed in OPENCOBOLIDE shows the actual screen that will be used in the CRUD application and that corresponds to the main menu. Step 3. Test of the self-generated program, real screen display. The self-generated program is loaded in OPENCOBOLIDE, and the play icon is pressed to run it. The program shows the real screen that will be used in the employees module. Step 4. Model adjustment, regeneration and test until OK. If problems are detected when viewing the real screen, the model must be corrected, the program regenerated and run it to display the corrected screen. Repeat this cycle until the screen and the program are OK, because they will serve as the basis for the real application program. Step 5. Rename program and self-generated fields to your final name. 8. Change the external name of the auto-generated program to the actual application name. B. Change the name and the program ID of the program. C. Change the names of the fields in working and screen section to the mnemonic names to use. D. Enter the program logic into the procedure division. Note that auto-generated field names have the line and column numbers, which can be used to identify it on the screen, and put the appropriate name, for example, the case of WE date that corresponds to the date field, on the screen. Step 6. Adding logic to the final program. The self-generated program has only 3 display, except, and stop run statements, which allow you to view the screen, so you have to add the logic at the points that are necessary. We need the program CCON0100 that gets data the system. You can see the video YouTube indicated, where it explains its operation. Tip: if you have seen the first videos, you may be able to identify the listing method that is used. At the beginning the first record is read, except at the first screen, and in the process screen paragraph, the following records are read, except at the following screens, at the end of the paragraph. We need the program CCON0100 that gets data the system. You can see the video YouTube indicated, where it explains its operation. Step 7. Adjustments and tests of the program until it is OK. We will need the employees file. Please download the PPT from the YouTube video. Then copy the program and run it. Previously create the TXT file with the data of the clients, which needs input from the program. In OPENCOBOLIDE, programs and subprograms can be tested in isolation, so all you have to do is run, correct and test each of the programs and integrate them, little by little until the whole module is OK. The following slides will show the designs of the screens and the programs necessary to complete the module, and that can serve as a reference for later. Any problems you have, please comment on it to improve these videos together. It is always recommended to end the execution of programs, not to leave windows open, because the execution may fail due to lack of resources. Thanks. Below is the list of our COBOL videos published to date, where the topics indicated in the title are covered. Everyone has the programs to copy and test. Video 001 listing Checkcon. Video 002 type load. Video 003 type report. Video 004 subprogram utilities. Video 005 using copies. Video 006 sort. Video 007 type group. Video 008 type group. Video 009 pack unpack. Video 010 matching. Video 011 screen section. Video 012 builder screen section. Video 013 CRUD employees module. These videos are prepared for people who work or plan to work on mainframe, and because it is very difficult to have one to do COBOL practices, you can use OPENCOBOLIDE to reach an intermediate level of programming. I recommend that you copy all the PPT, try the programs and analyze them. There is always something new to learn. With these videos, I think I am collaborating in forming new COBOL programmers. Thank you for your interest. The latest. An expert COBOL programmer has programmed schemes that he will reuse according to the situation, but what must always be maintained on good practices such as 1. Underline paragraphs. 2. A good indentation to align verbs and words pick from to value. 3. Use preset field names with W if they are working, with R if they are report, with T if they are tables or totals, with F if they are files. 4. Use only letters, numbers, and hyphens in names. 5. Use a lot of commentary helping to understand who is going to read our program. All these recommendations can be searched on the web and should be of additional use to the standards of the installation where you are working on. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck.